Hello student, good morning. Student, today we are going to study arithmetic progression and practice set 3.1. In practice set 3.1, question number 1 is which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First 4 question we have already studied in our first videos. Now student will start fifth one. So here solution will start. What is fifth one? Fifth one is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and so on. Clear? Here first term is what, student? T1 is 0, T2 is minus 4, T3 is minus 8 and T4 is minus 12. Clear, student? Here T1 is 0, T2 is minus 4, T3 is minus 8 and T4 is minus 12. Now we will find the difference. So that is T2 minus T1. So what is T2? T2 is minus 4 minus what is T1? 0. So minus 4 minus 0 is what, student? Minus 4. We will find T3 minus T2. So what is T3? T3 is minus 8 minus what is T2? T2 is minus 4. So this is equal to minus 8. This is minus, so this minus becomes plus. So you will get what, student? 4. So minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Clear? Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Similarly, we will find T4 minus T3. What is T4? T4 is minus 12 minus what is T3? T3 is minus 8. This is equal to minus 12. Minus minus becomes plus 8. So minus 12 plus 8 is what, student? Minus 4. So here the difference T2 minus T1 is minus 4, T3 minus T2 is minus 4 and T4 minus T3 is minus 4. Clear? So what we will say that? We will say that the difference between two terms, is constant, that is minus 4. Therefore the given sequence is an AP. The given sequence is an AP and common difference D is equal to minus 4. Clear? So you will write the difference between two terms is constant, that is minus 4, and the given sequence is an AP where common difference is what, student? Minus 4. Clear? So write down. So we'll see next question. Now next question is what? That is sixth one. Minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5 and so on. Here, student, what is T1? T1 is minus 1 upon 5. What is T2? T2 is minus 1 upon 5. What is T3? T3 is minus 1 upon 5. Now we'll find the difference. So T2 minus T1. T2 is what? minus 1 upon 5 minus, what is T1? Minus 1 upon 5. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 5. This minus becomes plus, plus 1 upon 5, and this is what? 0. So minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 is what, student? 0. Similarly, we will find T3 minus T2. So what is T3? T3 is minus 1 upon 5 minus T2 is minus 1 upon 5. So this will be minus 1 upon 5. So minus minus becomes plus. So this will be 1 upon 5. So minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 is 0. And therefore you will write, student, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant. That is what, student? 0. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP and common difference and common difference D is equal to 0. Clear, student? So your common difference is what? 0. Clear? Now we will see seventh one. So what is seventh one? Seventh one is what? Here T1 is what? 3. What is T2? T2 is 3 plus root 2. What is T3? T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. And what is T4? T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. Clear? So your first term T1 is 3, T2 is 3 plus root 2, T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, and T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we'll find the difference. So T2 minus T1. What is T2? T2 is 3 plus root 2 minus, what is T1? 3. So plus 3 and minus 3 cancel out. You will get root 2. Similarly, student, we will find T3 minus T2. What is T3? T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is what? 3 plus root 2, and this is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Now you will open the bracket. So when you open the bracket, plus becomes minus, this plus becomes minus. So this will be minus 3 and this plus becomes minus root 2. So here plus 3 minus 3 is cancel out. You will get what? 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is what, student? Root 2. Similarly, student, you will find T4 minus T3. What is T4? T4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus, what is T3? T3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, and this is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we will open the bracket. There is minus sign, so all sign will change. So this plus 3 becomes minus 3 and plus 2 root 2 becomes minus 2 root 2. So this plus 3 minus 3 cancel out and you will get 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is what? 1 root 2. Clear? So here you will observe the difference between two terms is what, student? Constant, that is root 2. So you write the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, that is root 2. Therefore, the given sequence is an arithmetic progression and common difference d is equal to root 2. Clear, student? So last question, that is what? 8th question, that you will solve your own. Okay. So in this way we have completed our first question of practice set 3.1. Next question we will see in next video.